Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a quick video here, and we are looking at how to install Pixelmon, specifically the Pixelmon that I have on my server. I got grandkids and playing games in the background, so we'll just go with it anyway. So once you get to Papatale Minecraft Realm, you go to See More, and the first thing you can do is download Pixelmon. That one right there, and I highlight all of it. And then copy, paste it into your search. And the first one I have is www.9minecraft.net, which is a pretty good site. And you just go ahead and click on that one, and it comes up with the Pixelmon mods. And you want to go down, like go over here and grab the little slide, go down all the way. Don't click on anything till you get way down to the bottom. And then at the bottom, you will see for Minecraft 1.10.2, which is the one that I'm using. And make sure it is version 503. And then you download that from server. And hopefully you come up to MediaFire. If it comes up with any other kind of commercial, let the commercial run. And then click on the next up top, whatever that may be. It should just come right up to this. And then you've got Pixelmon 10.2.503 Universal, and you download that. All right, and it's always good to put it in some place that you can find it. Desktop, that's probably a good spot. Okay, after it all downloads, you should have Pixelmon 10.2.503 jar sitting down there, and you can go ahead and X out of those, all of them, coming back to Papatale. And then I would recommend going, don't get the whole thing, it gets a little confused that way. Just get Forge 1.10.2, just that much of it, copy it, paste it in, and make sure you do go to Minecraft Forge, right, .net. That's where you want to go to, and it says 10.2. And you can click on that one, and you can see the different ones it has. This is 2.5.1.1, and that's the download latest. I always go to the download recommended, so it's 2.1.8.5. That's the one you want. And you go ahead and download the Windows installer, Forge 10.2, 12.18, 3.21.85 installer win. That's the one. And go ahead and put it on your desktop and save. Go to the actual desktop. And all your files should be here. One of them is your Pixelmon file, and the other is your Forge file. There it is. And you double click on the Forge, and it'll install the client. Click OK. And it does that. Click OK. And next, you want to take your Pixelmon. Right click, and you can cut or copy, usually probably cut, and then hit your Windows key, and you go to percent app data percent, which will take you to your Minecraft folder, and you should have a mods folder. If you don't, you can click on new folder and make one. And you go into your mods folder, right click, paste, and at this time you can open up Minecraft. And you go to installations and new, and then you can go down to the very bottom, scroll on down, and pick out 1.10.2 Forge. Make sure it's the 2185. And you select that one. And one thing, if you haven't done it, if you have at least 8 gig of RAM, I highly recommend this, to go to more options, and instead of 2 gig, put 4 gig in there. Your game will run a whole lot better. And with 2 gig with Pixelmon, it might not run at all. I don't have it, so I'll just, I already have that one, and I can go and here make sure your Forge 10.2 is selected. That's the one you want, and then you hit on play, and it should install Forge. Sometimes it's a good idea to run Forge and then put Pixelmon in, but hopefully you'll be able to plug it in there and run it. If you have never run Forge before, it might be a good idea to run Forge, close out Minecraft, then put Pixelmon into the mod folder, and then run all of it again. Some computers just really like that a whole lot better, and it'll take a while. Okay, and once it's up, you go to multiplayer, and if you don't have a server, you can add a server, and I name it Papamon. And if you go to edit, name it whatever you want, that doesn't really matter, but the server address has to be 184.60.14.104, and then done. And when it searches, you should have this green, everything is a go, and you join the server. And when it comes up the first time, you get to pick your Pokemon, and when it comes up, it's that blue screen. Be sure not to click in the middle if you need to click to get it going, but click somewhere on the side, and you should wind up somewhere in this village, which has got a store, place to heal your Pokemon. It's got a good variety, and up here is just anything and everything as far as biomes to get all the Pokemon you want. So happy hunting, and maybe we will see you in game.